Hello guys, this is Ivan, and this is today Friday, the start of weekend, and always on Fridays we have special promos. So today we also have a fantastic promo. In 2 minutes I will tell you about it. In meantime, I will just go through few of my systems, latest and the best systems we have. So I will show you two best expert advisors and two new products, and you will find out how to get it for maybe 20% of real price, so you can save 80% here. So this is Robo Scalper, the best quick scalping reversal system. This is automatic auto trader. Everything is done automatically. You see, I started maybe 1 hour ago, and you see already we made $400. So this is nearly 90% accurate system. If you want to find more, go to my YouTube, see more videos, how to use it and everything else. So this is one of the products you can get in this promo. Then we have, this is the latest MS16 trader, now in two trades, USD JPY and Canadian JPY. This is, I explained many times, the trader expert advisor based on my previous strategy number 16. So this is my strategy 16 in automated version. So you don't need to wait for any confirmations, setups. Everything is done by robot. Then for a long time, one of the top 3 expert advisors and the best trend robot in the market for many years. You see, we have a live trade with TRaDING also on Canadian JPY. Already 2 trades were in the money, and this is the third one. And here we have 5. This is a scalping method we are using. You can use classic method here. You have 2 templates, classic or scalping. Classic is 1 long trade with trend to make maybe 100-200 pips or so, or take many small scalping trades taking 10 pips, 20 pips or so, but you have in one trend. Scalping method is going to take, I don't know, 5 small trades, then waiting for setup, another free one, and so on and so on. You can use it on all assets. And finally, the latest my strategy from last week, my strategy number 17, also in 2 trades. How to use it, I will not explain. It is a simple strategy. This is a possibility here with my strategies, that you learn how to trade. You can become really a pro trader. You can use this strategy every day and make, I don't know how much you risk, but you can make from few $100s per day, even few $1,000s per day if you're using higher lot size or so. So this is not indicator, this is not expert advisor. Here, guys, you're going to learn how to trade. So this is only a few of my systems, and now I will explain you what you get today. You go to my main web page, And the promo is get four products of your choice. So get 4, pay 1. So pay only 1. Sorry, I am not good in writing with this. So for the price of 169 euro, you get 4 products. So any of products you like. I don't care which one you will take. You can choose my strategy, which I showed. It is 169. You can take Expert Advisor, the latest one, for 297. You can take any of these indicators. You see, you can take another Expert Advisor, but 4. Omega Turbo Trader V20, even this Turbo Signal software. If you want to find, guys, more about any of these products, just click here and see the video which shows you how to use it and a live trading. Trendy Trader even you can choose. So anything you like to trade. Robo Scalper, this is this guy, this product. So 4 products. It can be also 4 expert advisors if you want. So these 4 expert advisors will be about 1,000 euro if you choose 4 expert advisors. And you get all 4 for 169 euro. And guys, you see regularly it is 2 licenses, but in this promo you get 5 licenses. 5 licenses for each product you choose. So the beauty of this promo is you pay 169 and you choose any 4 products you like. This is here the main ones. You can go separately here. Also this is included too. You can go to products, indicators, and choose any indicator you like. Expert Advisor, any Expert Advisor you like. Even if you like to get our Pro Signal, you can choose 1 year signal service for 597. In this promo it is included. So any 4 products, it can be this, let's say this, and you like maybe signal service, you like my strategy, this is already 700 and something. You like latest MS16 trader, this is $1,000. And you want, I don't know, Omega Turbo Trader, this is over 1,200 euros. All for 169 euro. Plus 5 licenses, guys. Not 2 as it is usually here. Regularly you always get only 2, but now 5. So at the end, one more time, any 4 products for my webpage for 169. I advise maybe this. This is a very new product, fantastic, based on my strategy, 16 in automated version. Trendy Trader maybe. This is my latest strategy, also included. You see 2 trades. I will close 1. I will close 2. So you can always close it. You can use it for any asset, for crypto, for indices, stocks, forex, gold, whatever you like. So this promo, guys, if you are my subscriber, you will get it to your email. If you are not subscribed, you can do it here. Click here, leave your email, and you will always get latest updates, promos, and everything. Just leave here your email. And at the end, yes, this promo starts today, from now until the Sunday. So you have 3 days. Get 4, pay 1, plus 5 licenses. Guys, have a nice weekend. See you. Bye bye.